Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the browser hijacker called Quick Online Recipes. The site that is related to this hijacker is quickonlinerecipes.net. The developers indicate that this extension provides daily recipes, holiday and seasonal menu, food tips, videos, and more. But in reality, this particular extension actually operates as a typical browser hijacker. It may also display advertisements that are not related to the websites that you visit. Often these ads may point you to a lot of shady pages in the internet, and because of that, your computer may be infected even more dramatically. So, in some cases, you might submit some search queries and get the results by some other fake search engines, not chosen by you initially. This is all the result of this Quick Online Recipes extension enabled. So, access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, then Extensions, disable and remove this extension from your Chrome. Finally, I would also recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.